welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. My name is Jacqueline, and on this channel I do budget related videos. If those sort of videos interest you, do please consider subscribing. I would greatly appreciate it if you join my YouTube channel. Okay, you guys, so today I'm going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges. I am so excited for this because I am cash stuffing more than I think I've ever cash stuffed from my recollection. I'm not sure. But anyway, for those that are new, I don't budget money for my saving challenges. I basically use rollover money because that's just how I'm doing it at the moment. In the future, I might budget money specifically for challenges, but for now, it's all rollover. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and count this money and see how much we are cash stuffing today. I don't have a sparkling water that I can crack open. I do have one here that I opened up a few videos ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a sip. Plus 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 91, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 71, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81, and 82. So that's $182. I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, and we're gonna start with my first savings challenge. Okay, we're gonna start off with my luxury challenge, and this is gonna get cash stuff with $20. Each wallet represents $20. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60. Okay, we're gonna go over to a saving for the birds. Last week I scratched off 15, but because I do have enough money this week, I'm gonna scratch off one more, and we're gonna see how much we're gonna cash stuff today. I do have my quarter here. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, so this is gonna be 20. I'm trying to think. Let's see, I'm gonna do one more. Okay, so that is, I did 15 last week, plus 5, plus 20. So I'm gonna cash stuff this with $40. So this challenge now has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. And at the end, it's gonna save me $140. Okay, so the next one I wanna do is going to be the bowling challenge. Sorry for my reach there. And it's gonna be, I'm gonna put this binder off to the side. Let me put this marker. It's gonna be this one here. So I'm gonna take it out of the sleeve. It's been a while since I've done this one. So basically, I roll 2 dice 10 times, and then I roll the dice 1 time to see who I'm gonna be up against. So that's 7, 8, 8, 9, 4, 6, 4, 5, 7, and 5. Okay, I'm gonna quickly add these up. Okay, so that's $63. And let's see, Okay, yes, I have to roll I have to roll both of them. 3, Jocelyn. So I won. So I'm gonna cash stuff this with $15. Bowling challenge now has 20, 40, 50, 5. So this one here is I won. Okay, so the next one I want to do is going to be this one here. This one at the end is going to save me $500. Let's see how much I have left. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 105, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so I have plenty of money left. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to do the first 2 and see where that leaves me at. Okay, so that's $27. Just gonna put it back in the binder. Okay, so that's 25, 26, and 27. All right, and I'm gonna cash stuff it inside of this envelope here. All right, so saving with the birds, I do wanna scratch off one for the next time I do a savings challenge. That way I know how much to cash stuff this one. I'm going to put this little sticker here. That way I know that this is how much I need to cash stuff the next time I do my savings challenge. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and do my roll the dice, okay? So I'm going to move this over. I'm going to get my, let's see, I might do yellow. Where's the yellow marker? Uh-oh, I don't see yellow. So I'll just do orange again. Okay, let's see. And how I do this challenge is I roll this one once and it tells me how many times I'm gonna roll the little orange dice, okay? So it's only gonna be 2 times. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna double up my savings. Even though this challenge is not like that, there is a portion that it is, but just to give it a little bit extra cash, I'm gonna double it. And then what I'll do is I'll double circle whatever I roll. So let's just go ahead and see. So that's a 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and color 2 number 2s. Okay, so that's gonna be $4 just to keep track of it. And I'm gonna roll this dice one more time. So that's 4. So I have this 4 here. And then this one. Okay, so I'm gonna cash stuff this challenge with $16. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 120, 30, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's 159. Let's see. I do have this challenge back here that I got from Simple Shops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, let's see, I'll do 5, 10, 10. Okay, so I'll do 25. And I'll leave these, okay. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna cash stuff this challenge with $25. So I'm just gonna color in the boxes that I'm gonna be cash stuffing. So that's $10.25. And this challenge is gonna save me $100. I'm gonna go ahead and put it inside of this envelope here. I do have the tracker back here, but I wanted to use the tracker that's on this card here. So I'm just gonna put the money in this envelope. Okay, so let's see how much I have left. I have 10, 20, 30. I do want to start stuffing this challenge here. It's a mini savings. It's going to save me $300. Let me see. And I do want to put money in my $1 savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I have $35 that I can see what I can stuff for these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna X off the amounts that I cash stuff. So let's see, I'm going to use one of these pens. That way I can kind of know the amount. So let's see, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna cash stuff 24, and then 10, and then 1. Okay, so that's 24, 25, 35. So this should be 35. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and that is correct. Let's see how much this challenge has. This challenge now has 10, 20, 35, 41, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51. All right, that is pretty good. And it's gonna save me, like I said at the end, it's gonna be $300. And then these last 4 singles, I'm gonna put inside of my $1 savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, so I have $40. Someone suggested me to get a jar, so I'm going to do that and probably do it when I reach 100. All right, you guys, that is it. This is my cash stuffing saving challenges. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you're at this point, go ahead, leave me a raindrop emoji. You guys take care. And if you're not already subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I don't know if I said that. I'm just like in a little bit of a rush at this moment, but thank you so much for making it this far. You guys have an amazing morning, day, or night whenever you're watching this. Take care, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.